Welcome to the List Help videos. This video will show you how to use the List Property Sales Search option to find sales information about a particular property or comparable sales for a number of properties using a variety of criteria. Note that you need to have a List account to do this. If you do not have a List account yet, other videos on our YouTube channel will help you create one. Click on the link in the top right corner of the screen to view that now. To begin, go to the List homepage, www.thelist.tas.gov.au, and click on the Login button. Enter your List username and password and click Login. Click on the Properties and Titles icon. Now click on the Property Sales option from the left-hand side menu. The Property Sales Search page will appear. This page offers two ways to search for sales information. You can search by individual property or by municipalities. If you want sales information for a particular property and you already know its property ID, you can use the Quick Search for a Property option. Simply enter the property ID and click Search. Your report criteria will appear, showing the price and the number of sales. If you wish to proceed with purchasing the property sales report, click Add to Cart. If you wish to return to the property sales search, click on Modify Search. To conduct an advanced search, you will need to select one or more municipalities. A red cross means that you'll be charged for each sale at the time of search. Invoiceable clients will see a green tick, meaning that a monthly fee will be charged. To select a municipality, you can either click on the municipality name, then click on the top arrow, or you can double-click on the municipality name. This will move it to the selected municipalities box. You must also fill in either the contract date, the date that the contract was signed, or the list date, which is the date the sale was entered into the list. This is helpful if you only want to search for new sales that have been added to the list after a certain date. Click on the From Date box to select your chosen date. You can enter a range of dates to search between by repeating the same process for the To Date box. Or you can leave this blank and it will search up to today's date. Fill in as many other cells as you like. Although these are not mandatory, the more information you provide, the more specific the results will be. If you choose to search using any of these options, enter numbers only. The remaining cells have drop-down menus to choose from. Once you've set your criteria, click Search. As with the Quick Search, your report criteria will appear. Check that you're happy with the level of information and the number of sales your search has provided. If you wish to proceed with purchasing the property sales report, click Add to Cart. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you found it useful, please like it below and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the link in the top right corner of your screen. There are more videos, including how to use the list cart for credit card orders and how to use the list cart for invoiced orders, as well as other help resources available on the Land Information System Tasmania YouTube channel and the List website. Or you can contact the Client Services Help Desk by phone or email.